Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ginger cookies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, ground ginger, cinnamon, cloves, and baking soda. For the wet components, have molasses, softened butter, and one large egg ready. Using fresh, high-quality ginger will truly elevate the taste of your cookies, giving them that perfect warm spice. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, slowly incorporate the molasses and egg. In a separate bowl, whisk your dry ingredients, then gradually add them to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Finally, chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for easy handling. It's time to shape and bake. Take small portions of the chilled dough and roll them into balls, approximately 1 inch in diameter. For that classic sparkle and extra crunch, roll each dough ball generously in granulated sugar. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake your ginger cookies at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are set. Once baked, allow your delicious ginger cookies to cool on the baking sheet for about 2 to 3 minutes. This helps them firm up before moving. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For optimal freshness, store your finished ginger cookies in an airtight container at room temperature. They will stay wonderfully soft and flavorful for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.